This is AKASO Brave 7, and today I'll show how you can change the video recording frame rate on this device. So first, take your action camera, then make sure that you are in the video recording mode, and while you are, tap on the screen to reveal the controls. Now you can tap over here and select one of the video resolution presets that come not only with a set resolution but also with a set frame rate, or you can swipe upwards from the bottom edge of your screen, then tap at the resolution here, and now switch to this to the right selection here and select what frame rate you would like to record your video in. As you know, not all frame rates are available for all video recording resolution, obviously, so depending on what resolution you select, you will have different FPS or frame rate options. For example, for 4K, the only available option is 30 frames per second, but if it will reduce the resolution to 1080p, you will be able to select between 30 and 60, and so on. Anyway, as far as this video goes, that'll be it. Thanks for watching, and bye-bye.